Hello, my name is Viet Mehta and I am going to talk through new IGA enhancements in Primer 20. Isogeometric analysis or IGA is an alternative to standard FEA. It lets you create LS-DYNA models directly from CAD without the need for meshing, which leads to higher accuracy in less time. For those who aren't aware, Primer already support visualizing edge refinement, P-refinement, and sketching trimming loop for star IGA keyword. In version 20, we have added various IGA enhancements in IGA Refine panel, CNRP panel, and IGA Point UVW panel. We have also added support for mask calculation for a star IGA shell. Let's have a look at each one in a bit more detail. View interpolated elements. After reading a valid IGA model, open IGA Refine panel from IGA Shell or IGA 2D nubs XYZ or IGA Face XYZ for any existing definition. Click on View Interpolated Elements toggle button. You can also view trimmed interpolated elements by ticking Trim checkbox beside it. You can also change NISR and NISS value on the fly and check the result. In case of negative NISR or NISS, we also show average NISR or NISS, which is number of interpolation elements per isogeometric element in local R or S direction respectively. Prior to version 20, when you want to create IGA point UVW, you need to create node manually and also add this new definition in a set on corresponding IGA face XYZ. To get rid of this lengthy and intricate process, we have redesigned the IGA point UVW panel. You can now choose any of the following options to create IGA point UVW with ease. It will create node and also add the new definition in the set on corresponding IGA face XYZ. First is create point on surface. Pick point anywhere on IGA shell and hit create. Second is create point on an edge. Pick point on any of the edge on IGA shell. These are generally IGA 1D BREP definition. Hit create. Third is create points around a hole. This option will let you create multiple points around the hole using pitch length or number of nodes option. There is also an auto create option in the panel which will let you create points without clicking on create button to save time. To create CNRB on IGA shell, you need to create IGA point UVWs first, which would be a tiresome process. So we have introduced IGA options in CNRB panel. When enabled, you get two new options similar to what you get on new IGA point UVW panel. Create points on surface and create points around a hole. The only difference here is you get to pick multiple points and IGA 1D BREP definitions respectively. Mass, center of gravity, and inertial tensors can also be calculated and contoured for IGA shell. We will continue to add new IGA enhancement in future. Please do not hesitate to get in touch for more information. Thank you for watching. We'll look forward to hear your feedback.